Haska, isud na magkuha niya. Ay, thank you. Sa wakas, nakuha din kita.
You're thinking about it, aren't you?
Yeah.
You know, she's thinking about getting after the little kitties.
Yeah. Na, nakuha din kita.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Oh, it's the intestine. Makakaon lagi ka. Pero haska pang dugayan yung makuha ay.
Where's the chop suey part? Squirt.
Squirt.
Yeah, there's the knife.
Blade.
The blade. And the foot.
Yeah. It's their blade. So, honey, it's so sharp. So sharp.
He almost got you too.
So when I eat this one, I get all the intestine.
All the goaty stuff off.
Yeah.
Soak it in lemon juice. That was it good?
You can wash this one and soak in a
Chlorine. Bleach. Yeah, now we gotta clean it. We gotta clean the outside. Yeah.
meow. I'm done with you. Seeds has a medicinal value.